Your relationship never stop that. You better stop that. You dey try when you was start. What a rat. For real, for real. You dey try, for real. For real, for real. Say you dey cry, for real. This love you no be by force. If you don't like what you divorce. By force. If you don't like what you divorce.
Alright, dear mate, phone in Aquaba and Fambra, Akro life or so. I don't pay all the share and dear, and you're bonny. And you understand, say that so. Oh, Christmas season, and I added the seed of December 2020. I brought you and you know, that's you divide and then you have a PMU. Oh, a Akropong, a Dutan, a presidential quarter. I don't know, Akropong, a Dutan, a presidential quarter. A baby, and you know, what tourists, and Akropong will feel a man, a banana feels looking very relaxed. And you know, one day we said in common affairs, you know, what you and you know, I Dutan, a presidential quarter. And I know, every morning, I travel and talk limited up. And you know, your man and collaboration with Max 89.7 and I feel, you know, Max, you know, when you have a film, our Dutan presidential quarter, you know, what a Christmas on the mountain, yes, Christmas on the mountain 2020, you know, I feel, you know, about so, Dutan, but and Chaneba Kora feels, you know, when it's going to go in war, Dutan presidential quarter, I couldn't come up, but then I'm a kind of Christmas on the mountain, and I know. 89.7 after Afro life, you can't to my pa, at the Abu and you know, you had the Medina and bro, then our kind of Christmas on the mountains. Then you know, it's me, Abaso, Elhan, Sena Huno. Dutan, a very nice place, and also. I bet me, I be PO, our Hanma, what work upon, and if you mean, I know, Sanyama, we in Asono, our Hanma, just say, Christmas and a day, Sana Kano, a bed, never Fedia, and I Dutan, a presidential court, and so no, but Mammy Chumop and you pay, you know, a court, no, a shanisa, and I feel so many Indian come up till our Hanma, Bibiasono, and Yakama, and Teneno, Mr. Atimaka, and you pay, you know, a Dutan presidential court, it's in our son, I feel so many. Mama, good morning.
Morning.
Now, my official pastor.
Come to you. This is not Bibia, holding near your opinion. I am Saka.
Amen. You know, Daddy, Mamma boarding on Nandy, so no. Akropong for Biana, yeah, why do you know? And one washing, and I wouldn't know. Be big a craft. I want to feel the come watch channels.
What from me, could you see the Kopong? Mr. Kopong. The Okopoli Papo, my Koya Juma and Crown Yadia all over the country, and upon Metia Kupon, the Dutan presidential court, Yamede, and over the Dutan presidential court, I never be read Ecoso. There were Echo Park, there were event center, there were conference room, there were one day, what friend Christmas on the mountain. Fairmont Travel and Tours organizing. We are collaborating with the Dutan presidential court. Collaborating because there were the tourists we have about more than about 80 tourists here. We're spending a day with us here. If you are over baby for now, so the percent will be fear the cover now. Because they have paid money for this trip. No, Sabeka. Now, what they propose the Papa Beko. Now, what the Sagaba deal with Biaraba. What he said, the very cautious hour, the Dutan presidential court, and
that what can be now. Obivagazi, Dutan presidential court, Abba. Now, then a Dutan presidential court, and I feel so. Ding baby, one, I didn't know about Dutan.
Dutan, a big tree, Diakesi Biano, Nasim Tinier, ye bebree ɛna ne branches ɛyɛ ne branches nso ye bebree ɛkyerɛ sɛ wo ye Dutan a na ɛyɛ ade a nipa bebree de wɔn ho tumi to so na wo so ɛsɛ wotu bɛboa nipa na anaasɛ wo community awɔ mu na unity ɛne that's the concept behind the name na Awurade na ɔyɛ Dutan in the first place then yɛn a yɛdi n'ase na yɛreyɛ aboa yɛn wiase no nso yɛwɔ hɔ nti that is the concept behind the name Dutan.
Na just say a chi word Dutan and then more more share no my man in you to a chi word Dutan just a very big tree they also many branches I need the Anangatan so I think international Dutan a presidential court meaning I need that is so but that is you say be assassin and na form ding here you say challenges no do so any challenges when what you see
challenges baby say me fiase anase me twam me na se sika wo hen ni ade na wori ye kura nipa beba anase ebe so ebetumi asevu nipa ne se na ohwehwe de ade a community no benya ho fa so eno ye saa ne ma nyina hiking room and untina sa wonga bay wo ba be ko sa hiking in the forest young forest there about is about 7 acres forest and you can do as much as 5,000 steps in the forest. 5,000 steps compared to almost 4 kilometers and you have exhausted some energy. Say a forest it's a backyard forest which is being developed. We don't touch it and the area say all the guidelines and regulations are guided a forest as the forestry regulation states. We adhere to those things. COVID protocols. We are here to all COVID protocols. You are all welcome. We are all welcome to this place. They are liberty to stay here the whole day and enjoy themselves and come and see how they are enjoying themselves, and they will share their experiences on Facebook for you to see. And so you are all invited. If one time you should have an experience.
Brother, what can you be now? What would you be sending? A whole forest and Gasa, Dutan, and I wish I had recreational facilities. And I just over just can say, Anna.
Oh, and yes, Cassibi. There is your rates for accommodation, we are rates over how we but to enter the forest to go on a hiking, we are looking at 50 cities. 50 cities.
50 Ghana cedis. Just
50 Ghana cedis just for that. Now over to Adriana, over to Sa, over to Bibia. And we are foreign. We are foreigner there. We are looking at $50. Okay. And we just say manageable enough for you to. Now we to Adriana. Yeah.
Okay. Then send out open your pen Dutan presidential court in the city now saying Jumadi Kasipa and Abaso our Hanam say someone travel and tour limited in collaboration with Max 89.7 and I feel so Max TV no Muniano Aquila VP Muano as Christmas on the mountain and to me Abaso Ewana Oche Nipa Arabana Anu but Sunny Adadi kind all protocols are COVID-19 protocols in your Bible everyone Hanuma be out to me sending news matters so our Hanum but and then Mr. part of tourism committee crafting of municipal assembly or but maybe standing this year or memorable need enough is watching this year or
you papa me that say meeting the honorable Oheneba Charles me na me chairperson Akuapem North Municipal Assembly as the tourism subcommittee chairman yenim eni amapa ye pese eba Akuapem North Ghana ebeboa Akuapem mine enti ebra na ye call rounds ehwe baby a ye tourist potentials in one we came across this beautiful place na ye hu say ye papa daddy kisi edu and aye baby ati say enti tourism as the tourism committee yabaha aba be inspect ya kwakwohwe baby a ye ko hike ne baby a ye hu say baby a eda na kwam na enne ye nya nti ye say enuanom beba ama mo nso aba besra ebia ha enti ye ba se enu omo nyina ba behwe abo ye be mo akwa aba ne enu omo nyina ba beji ani wa ha na yama amanse nyina hu se ampa Akuapem North aye woni amapa wa ha enti obi amra no beji ani wa ha madam ase
man sana meja won akọ no sana aka no part of the tourism committee of municipal assembly sana yenim Akropong and ase Akuapem mu no there were so many and ase nice places Akuapem but aka say mobile no money the office and am use because Akropong say Amanapa waterfall so a very nice place but tourism committee municipal then amore including Dutan presidential then support and committee in Morema.
Yeah, that's it. As the chairman of the committee, yene empenyim for Atenase. Yeba as a committee, me ba into office now about 6 months. Na yako baby a okeken, yako Adom waterfalls, yako Amanapa waterfalls, yako the palm tree na ewo Safro Kwamoso, yako yako kwahwe the potential tourist sites I work Akuapem North nyina ye fi ase say ye ba be develop nti ye pe enipa bi aba companies philanthropists bi ama ma ba be boa ye ne etimi develop baby a yakwa kwahye no ne etimi develop ne ya ye niama pa wo na ye hu say ye papa mistake see du efi ase ye niama pa bi wa ha eni nti ye nso ye asem bi aye bibi ato n'anim ono nso ma ye adwene wo ho akwan a ye betu anamo e de aye niama bi nti ye guso aye ye enche afisa abri no megidi say so nyame ya adom ne etenkwamu a mo be hu se nyama pa bi be pie we Akuapem North a aye be nyama akese wa ya da mas
that's what I'm saying
Ekufu Foundation be about 3 weeks ago Ekufu Foundation eba municipal assembly e de betu ye nim omo nso ba be nyama pa bi aboa tourism e we Akuapem ha especially Ekufu house ewo Akropong no omo ba be nyama papa bibiri wo ho omo ba be the old cemetery na ewo Mandela Market wo no Battle Missing Cemetery omo ba be nyama pa bi wo ye ba be renovate aye nyama pa wo se ne be as a tourist e ba Akuapem North a ho nyina ye de ombe fa wo ya kolate akonodi shrine ya ko ho nyina ya kwakwahwe nyama ya de tutu akwemu e betimi aboa na etimi aye tourism potentials ne bi na etimi aboa Akuapem North ya that yegusu aye na megidi sa nyame be moa na etimi aye nti so bibia a ono nso wo moa na sa adwene bi o de baba be kan ye ho no oba nso a the person is welcome that's papa.
Yes, sir. That's intended opinion. I don't know, chairman, the Akuapem Municipal Assembly now, no, the tourism committee, no, I don't know, honorable, intended what be no, now all the sanitizer, no, to me, Eddie Man, when that's be sending to be kind. Okay. And then, that answer my walk on the crack away honorable, you know, Sabi, or Osha Malfoso. Christmas visit, or the man or man for our show.
But that's it. Me mo bibi ara afshapa na dia me wasa dia me pesa me
forest nim na afin so no yakɔhye niama ɛkɔso ankasa ɛwɔ ba so na ɛka no activities no do so dey see no breakfast section no ana ɛkɔso ɛwɔ ha no ne line kama oba udi so a ɛne no tea na afa obenya tea no yɛ milo yɛ cafe yɛ Lipton so no ɛwɔ no san so na oats bibi apɛ bia no oba onsa ebetuma ka with bread ɛne adentene no wocha me sabe hu so sana ni partner se kama ɛne no wo enjoy wo family wa be piu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Dutan ɛyɛ presidential ɛyɛ court so a yɛ di jumadu no bro ɛne yɛ bɛka twa na yɛ bɛka bro
oh yɛ bɛka twi ni na frafra
okay yɛ ka ma mema o official pa afin so no mema akwa ba empambra ɛne no mema abodi afin so no